What's up, guys? It is Saturday evening, 5 o'clock, 5:30, something like that. Lut and I, we are up here on Clark, right here at the parade field. They said this is the place to come on a weekend, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me show you what's going on here. Let me just show you. I thought they had like food vendors and stuff, but evidently it's open to the public. You can come up here with your families, hang out. As you can see, people are hanging out. Hannah Grace was up here a couple weeks ago with her friends, and they just had a picnic, right?
Yeah.
So I guess it's like people are up here just having a picnic. We're just gonna, I mean, there's people all over up here. I mean, it's nice to see the people out, hanging out. They got a photography show going on here. Are you a model?
Yes.
Yeah? What's your name?
Cat.
Cat. How old are you, Cat?
19.
19? Who do you model for?
No, just for fun.
Oh, just for fun. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. They got the whole setup here. I walked in the middle of their photo shoot. Sorry, guys. But that's what's going on. Like, people are just hanging out and photo shoots, and I've seen some TikTokers, and this is nice that people can come out, have somewhere to go, bring your food, sit down, have a picnic. Huh? Who's a vlogger? They're vloggers? It's been quite a while since Lit and I walked around the track here, but I mean, the parking lots are full. Like I said, I'm checking this out as you guys are seeing it. I don't think they have bands or anything playing.
No, I don't.
No bands. I guess
There is no food court.
no food court. What says? I don't know. We're just gonna look. There's a Charlie. There's a Charlie. I gotta go see the Charlie. I gotta go see Bachoy. There's a Bachoy dog. Yeah. Let's gonna ask if it's a woman. You see it. This is nice, huh? Look.
Babae po.
That's a boy? We got a boy too. How old?
1 year and 2 months.
1 year. He's a little guy. He's a young one. Yeah.
Say hi, Augie.
Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. What's his name?
Augie.
Ogie. All right. Nice to meet you, Ogie.
Hi. Yes, hi.
See, they also do that.
Yeah. They always do.
Just call my dog fat, but they also.
Just gonna take a stroll through here and show you around. Sorry about the sun. The sun is setting. The parade field, guys. That's the the barns. What do they call it? What are they called? The barns.
The bars? Them?
The barn houses. I think the barn houses. That's where we're at here. Nobody's out in the middle. Everybody's kind of just hanging out in the shade, eating food. Food looks good. Got the tents. People got their tents to hang out. They got a whole table over there, walking through their party. Hello. They got a whole tent going on over there. Big party.
Maybe I should just like buy that one, tent.
A little tent for who? Charlie?
No, for Hannah.
Oh, for Hannah.
Yeah.
The barn houses. There it is. I knew it would come to the barn houses. There's the barn houses over there.
You can also just like walk.
Yeah. We're gonna walk around the whole parade field here. There's a Jolly Bee party. That's an our pizza party.
It's better called Jollibee. You need to cook.
And I'm hungry. And I'm watching everybody eat. Bring your dogs out here. Bring your kids out here.
Bring Bachoy. Next time I'm gonna bring Bachoy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go picnic then.
Is this just on a Saturday?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. it's a Saturday,
Like
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm not sure. I know it is a Saturday. Hello. Oh yeah, there's some guys out there playing some kind of game. What is it? Soccer? They playing? Yeah, they're playing soccer out there.
Oh, soccer. That one there is a big like picnic over there.
Yeah.
Big fun.
Looks like there's some tents set up down there further. We'll check that out. But they even have stadium lights. They're on. They must have just turned them on. So they have stadium lights out here. So when it starts getting dark, won't be dark. You know what? I told Lotus, I pointed this out. I said, this is new. It's a new public restroom here. They didn't have this restroom here on this side. It says it's now open. So that's nice. They have a public restroom for people. And like I was telling, look, you can see it right here. Right there. There's garbage cans here. So, like I was saying to Lut, you know, I hope people pick up their garbage instead of just leaving garbage around. Because let's face it, Lut, I'm going to have a Filipino say it.
What about it?
Lut, what a lot of Filipinos do in big gatherings?
Yeah.
What do they do?
They threw trash in the ground.
There it is. Filipino said it. So, you can't yell at me. You can't say it was me. They throw trash on the ground. They just, and let's face it, it's true. It's true. Don't try to tell me it's not true, because it's true. Right,
No,
Lut?
if that's the case, it will be the most cleanest country in the world.
Right. So let's
See,
just,
you gotta go to Manila Bay, there's still going people out there is throwing trash anywhere ever you go.
so let's hope people pick up after themselves and they don't, it doesn't become ruined. You know what I mean? But yeah, that was new. Yeah, they're flying kites out there. All ages here. Young, old, little ones, dogs. I didn't see no cats. They even has signs posted up together. Up here, I just read that. There's even sign posted here. Together we can curb the spread of COVID-19. Wear your mask, wear your face shield, practice social distancing, and keep your hands clean. We're up here by the top now, top of the parade field here. And it's just people upon people upon people, all on the outside here. Over here is the new park. That park was built and when the Southeast Asian Games, before they came in, that was all put in there. There was a little park there, but they cleaned it all up and really made it nice. Really nice playground. It's a shame because when you come here during the day, then in the morning you'll have people out walking around, you know, around the track, exercise and stuff. You come here during the day, it's empty because the sun just beats on this field. But it's a nice evening. There's no roller skating allowed on this track. No bicycles allowed on this track. No skateboarding allowed on this track. Just a walking track. Still got the Christmas tree up. Wonder where everybody comes from. You know what? In Clark? Or everywhere? Outside Clark? What do you think? Angeles? Tarlac?
No, Tarlac is impossible.
It's kind of
Just
far.
Angeles.
Angeles.
Yeah.
Here it is. Pick a spot. Pick a spot. Throw your tent up. Throw your blanket down. People are still arriving. Those people right there, they're arriving still. You know what? And I was saying to Lut, one thing you do not hear people with like radios. Like, you know how it is. If you live here or you've been here, you got to have a radio and playing music, and you know, this guy has one and this guy has one and that guy over there. There's none of that. There's none of that here. Lut did say she heard one, but it was kind of low.
No, I don't think they allow you to have like music too.
Right. Now I do hear music over here to the right a little bit.
Yeah, but it's not like crazy.
But normally you'll have people that'll just blare their music. So everybody, you know, you have like a music competition going on.
It's nicer we go like over here and then you're gonna bring Hannah and then we play like
Yeah.
badminton.
Where's Kyle? Yes.
It's like it reminds me of back in the States, right before the 4th of July fireworks go off. Everybody would hang out in the field, bring their blanket, and
I remember.
you remember? Just
No, we don't do that.
you know, they would bring their blankets, hang out in the field, and then boom, the fireworks.
Oh,
It's like,
no, Ohio. Yeah.
oh yeah,
I
yeah,
remember in
yeah.
Ohio, the 4th of July.
It's like you're looking and you would say to her, why is everybody here? What's the purpose? You know, are they getting ready for fireworks or what? But there is no fireworks. Not that I know of.
No, Hannah, don't tell me the truth.
Yeah, Hannah would have said something
She
if there
said,
was.
At night, there's like a light.
Like
Something lights.
a light show or something.
No, I don't think. He said like, even though it's night, it's still nice because they have a display like lights anywhere or something.
Right.
So, I might be go back here with her classmates.
All right, guys, I have to film this because every time I'm around here, I like coming here. Fort Stutzenberg. I know somebody will probably yell at me and say, you're pronouncing it wrong. Fort Stutzenberg. Fort Stutzenberg. This is their memorial. These here, these concrete pillars here that say Fort Stutzenberg, 1902. When the Japanese invaded here, they actually took these two, I think there was 2 of them, and buried them. And after America freed the Philippines, they managed to find them. They were buried, and they dug them up and put them back out here. But here's the memorial. Fort Stutzenberg was here before this whole thing was here. Clark Air Force Base, everything. It was a, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong and somebody will correct me. It was a military post here. United States military post. They worked right along with the Filipinos and the Filipino guerrillas and all that. And but that's where it was. I think it was located right here on the field. But there it is. If I'm wrong, somebody will correct me. You can see it's getting darker, but you can see they got lights. The lights are all out. There goes CDC Clark Development Center Police. The Clark policeman driving down through the field. I just love walking through here, even during the day. It's really nice because all these trees, you guys see them, it just shades this walking area. There's only a few areas all the way around this walking area where you're actually out in the sun. A lot of it is shaded by these big, what are they called? Acacia trees? Acacia trees. If I'm wrong, somebody will correct me. Acacia. Acacia. I guess this was heavily used when the Air Force Base was here, the parade field. They did a lot of their drills and stuff here on the parade field. If I'm wrong, I know somebody will correct me.
You don't need to be saying that all the time.
Well, let's say I shouldn't say that all the time.
No, because we try to be perfect, but you know it's impossible to be perfect for a human being.
Nobody's perfect.
Exactly.
Don't get me wrong. If you want to correct me, that's great because then I can remember for the next time.
Exactly.
But yeah, we got to go find something to eat because, well, they do have restaurants and stuff here, but I'm not going to eat here. They appeared to be all very full. They appear to be very full. A lot of the restaurants up here are open too. The ones, I mean, they were of course closed and now they've reopened. Social distancing required. Hand sanitation required. There goes some bats. Speaking of bats, look. You want to go out to the old hospital right now?
Where?
The old hospital?
Just you and me?
Yeah.
No.
You'll be scared?
No.
You wouldn't?
No, because it's, as I said, I'm more scared with the human being than a ghost. But the problem is, in the instructor, what's that called? The material over there in old hospitals was too old, and I think the bottom is
Oh,
too
yeah,
dark.
yeah.
We don't
You
have
got-
flashlight.
Yeah.
But it's more adventure if we have a lot, so you can scare them too.
Right, right. Plus, another thing, to go over there at night, you would need permission because it is pitch dark. You're not turning on a light over there. You're going to use a flashlight. And not only that, but the building is very dangerous. Let's put it that way. Structure-wise, there's holes and
instructor.
structure.
Instructor. Instructor.
You definitely need a flashlight, and you got to watch you don't fall through any holes, and not advisable to go at night unless you have permission. And when you do have permission, then you're able to take flashlights in there and stuff, because the security will see you in there. Now, whether or not they'll come over, they might think it's a ghost running around in there. I don't know. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this. We didn't know what was out here. We just kind of strolled out here. Hannah kind of told us, you know, what was going on, but she leaves out details. She's a kid. All she knows is she had fun with her friends. I actually thought they were going to have food vendors set up and stuff where you can eat.
That's what I thought too.
And Lud even thought the same thing. No big deal. I mean, this is nice. I know I've said that 100 times. So anyways, with that being said, if you're up here, Angeles City area or in the surrounding area, come check it out. Bring a blanket, hang out. If you got kids, bring your kids up and let them run around and play and burn off some energy. And with that being said, take care of yourself. Take care of each other, the sick, the elderly, the young. Your pets, take care of your pets. And we got to go find something to eat.